Echoes. This is by Louis Kohler. Oh, that name is just so much fun. Kohler. Isn't that a funny way to write? We Americans, you know how it is. But I think we could get used to seeing that little umlaut. And look when he was born, 1820. That was a long time ago. Isn't it amazing that we're still playing music from composers that lived and died a long time ago, and yet their music still keeps going? Wow. Somebody called this Echoes. Do you think the composer called it Echoes? There's a good chance he did. Sometimes publishers would do that just to make it sell better. We don't know, but I like the name. I wonder why it's called Echoes. Now let's think about that. All right, moderato means, do you remember that there is a glossary in the back of this book? So let's look up moderato. Moderate tempo. Hey, I wonder what that means. Moderate tempo. I guess neither too fast, not too slow, just right. Remember the three bears, you know? It's a tempo that's just right for the piece. We're going to have to figure out what that is. Okay, let me think now. I see a treble clef and a bass clef. Did you know that that doesn't mean right and left hand, although we are playing these notes with the right hand and these for the left. But the treble clef, remember, means from middle C, this side of the piano, or the high sounds. And the bass clef is middle C, this side of the piano, or the low sounds. Okay, got that straight. All right, there's my middle C. That's the lowest note I see throughout the piece for the right hand. And the highest note is G. So that means that my hand is going to be in. Yes, excellent. Okay. All right, I've got that. Now the left hand, the lowest note is bass C. There's our guidepost. Yeah. And the highest note is the G. Okay. All right, so there. Okay, so we're in C position for this whole piece, but it starts on mi, because there's the do. Mi, do, re, mi, fa, so. Did you see how this do, re, mi, fa is repeated a step higher? I think they call that a sequence. Basically, that just means a pattern that is being replayed a step higher. So if you know it goes do, re, mi, fa, it's going to now go re, mi, fa, so, and I could keep going with that pattern. Let's see what happens next. It rests. Mi again. Mi, so, fa, mi, re. Hey, the pattern went down. Fa, mi, re, do. Look what Kohler did. He's playing with patterns going up and going down. Oh, mi, do, re, mi, fa, so. Where did you hear that before? Yes, he's repeating that. Mi, so, fa, mi, re, do. And then he has an ending. I bet you know this pattern. Bum, 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 bum. Can you name it? Do, mi, so, mi, do. Yes. All right. Let's look at the left hand. He also starts on mi. Mi, do, re, mi, fa, so. Hey, wait a minute. I heard that somewhere before. Do you remember where? Yep, the right hand. Oh, echoes. When the right hand says it, the left hand echoes it. Oh, that's so interesting. So this must be mi, so, fa, mi, re, do, echoing that. Yeah. Mi, do, re, mi, fa, mi. Oh, mi, do, re, mi, fa, so. Yeah. Oh, mi, fa, so, fa. This is, they're harmonizing here. So, fa, mi. So it doesn't echo at the end. Did you see this little note? Play echoes using a staccato touch. So that must mean this is legato. Yeah, so that's kind of fun. And I noticed too, the starting is louder and the echo is softer. You ever do an echo and you go, hello? and the echo comes back quieter. It would be really shocking if it came back louder. You'd think there was someone behind you, but it's quieter. In fact, it could almost be mystical, couldn't it? Did you notice there is a teacher's duet down here? I can't play both parts at the same time, although I probably could go play it on my digital keyboard and then play on top of it. That's a cool idea. I think I made a recording about this somewhere else on YouTube, so go look for that. And by the way, it says 2 octaves higher unless you have 2 pianos. All right, I think I'm ready to play it. Are you ready to listen? You should be following your score as I play. Notice I'm in the hand position. Here I go. Staccato. I'm going to slow it down so you know it's the end. Okay, that was fun. How about we play a game where one hand plays something and the other hand copies it? Left hand, he cheated, didn't he? Yeah, you could play a game like that. In fact, you could create your own piece where you could have a little catch can, do it here and maybe echo it down there. Why not have some fun? And of course, you could do this in minor. Ooh, I like it. I needed that final C. So have fun with this piece. Use it as a place to explore and compose your own piece, which we could call it Echo 2.